Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a lip oil. We haven't done one of those yet. This is the red lip oils. I think I also have the pink one too, so we're going to be doing those. But it shows you how to mix to get the red, and then you essentially add more white, and then you make a lighter pink. So I'm loving the Vanity. That's my favorite thing for these. And I really liked the nail polish. Eyeshadow went terrible, but this is super cute, these Vanities. This base is insanely hard for me to snap in there, but it's a drawer that pulls out. Very cute. Then we have these bags that kind of come crushed. We're about 50-50 on those. Some are okay, some are crushed. We have a measuring cup and it tells you where to fill the colors to. We have lip oil base, some droppers, and a spoon. Also have the lip oil bottles. Those are really cute. They say Wink and Blush on there. And our red pigment. It's probably going to be like that white bottle where these small ones are very hard to squeeze. And so far they've all come with this magazine, and it shows you the different color options and like how you mix them to get the colors. Okay, so the instructions say to take the red and fill it to that bottom drop. Oh, that's way easier to squeeze than that nail polish one. That one was super hard. However, it doesn't feel like there's much in here. I don't know if I can add more and have enough for the pink. I guess so. That's probably about right. And then we're just going to add the lip oil to that next drop. Which is about there. I'm going to use a toothpick to stir. Kind of looks like ketchup. The way ketchup separates sometimes if it's in the fridge too long unused, that's what it looked like there was water on top. Alright. That's pretty. So now all you do is fill up the dropper and transfer it. So the lip oils, the nail polishes, those are really easy and I think appropriate for small kids. But that eyeshadow palette, I feel like I'm forever going to hate on that. Okay. Oh, how cute. This is what the brush looks like, the applicator. Okay, now we're going to let that dropper fill up and see how much we can put in here. Now what we've learned from the nail polish one is you want to put this pretty far down in there because the nail polish, it was clogging up the neck of the bottle. These bottles at least look bigger, and I feel like it's going to hold the entirety of what we made here, unlike the nail polish, which had a lot left over. This is so cute. Now they say you can actually use this as makeup. I will not be doing that, but I'll probably put some on the back of my hand here in a minute to see what that's like, what it feels like. See how it sticks in the neck like that? So you want to make sure you put the dropper past the neck. So let's scrape it all to the side and get every little drop in. Okay, I think that's as far as it'll go. And it rises just a tad in the bottle, but I don't think it's gonna spill out over it. That's cute. I think that's adorable. Definitely feels like there's, the oil is actually oil, but it doesn't look like it's gonna like tint it too much or like stain anything. Looks like I have ketchup all over my hand. I'm gonna go wash it off, make sure it comes off and doesn't do any staining, and then we will make the next color. Okay, I was able to wash that off pretty easily. Doesn't really have a scent or anything like that. Now to make the lighter shade, we are adding all clear oil base to that top line up here, and then we're gonna add 1 drop of red. Okay. That's to the top, and there is a decent enough left in here that you can probably make at least 1 more bottle, if not 2, I would assume. So let's see what's left here. If we can, oh, that was more than 1 drop, but that's okay. But see how these small bottles, once you squeeze them, they're like ruined, essentially. They're all like dented in and crazy looking. I'm going to mix this. And we'll see what shade that turns. If it's still too red, kind of. Does that even look different? Yeah, no it does. Definitely looks different. This is more of like a, kind of like a neon orange. Kind of cool looking. All right, let's take that out. I will use the other dropper and let that fill up. That's fun to watch. And let's open this up and drop it in. These are so cute. This is probably the longest part, is just filling up the bottle. Tilt it to the side. And keep filling it till it's to the neck of the bottle. I think I have that filled pretty high, so let's put the wand in there and screw it down. And it kind of looks similar, but when I hold it like that, you can see the shade difference. One's very see-through looking and one's thicker. That's cute, super easy. Could definitely let my 5-year-old use this or do it. I might actually wait to do the next one. I have the pink version of this. I think I'm gonna let her mix it and film it and let you guys see that one. Here's the swatches. You can't really, oh, you can tell the difference if I do it like that. So that's what they look like. So out of a 10, I would probably give this an 8, maybe even higher, just because the eyeshadows were terrible and the nail polish was pretty cool. I feel like these rank about the same as the nail polish, just slightly different bottle. But that's what I have. If you want to order these, I'll link below. If you want to see me make more of these, check out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.